Transferring money from M1 Finance to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Log in. Open the M1 Finance app or website and log into your account. Navigate to Transfers. Go to the Transfer section on your dashboard. This is where you can manage both deposits and withdrawals. Select Withdrawal. Choose the option to withdraw or transfer money. You will see options to withdraw funds to your linked bank account. Choose the bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, select the account where you want the funds to be transferred. If you haven't linked the bank account yet, follow the instructions to add one. Enter amount. Specify the amount of money you wish to transfer from your M1 Finance account to your bank account. Ensure you have sufficient cash available in your M1 account. Review and confirm. Check the details of your transfer, including the amount and destination bank account. Confirm the transfer request. Wait for completion. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your bank account to verify that the funds have arrived.